Alright, well, we got this radio on. Let's see what we have here. We'll go coax direct. This one doesn't always work on all the bands. Here, it didn't get noisy there. Hey, what's up with that? I mean, it's possible this band's just quieter. Okay. Typically the problem is with the RF amp and needing to slap the radio. Dirty relay. We don't know why this does that, but it means that there's probably a problem with one of the rails, with the 5-volt rail. See that? Makes no sense. The AGC is not functioning though. See how it doesn't work now? Now there are ways to clean the relays that, and some of them you can't get anymore, so you don't really have a choice. This VFO is like as smooth as glass. Like just really nice. The mask off of this is from an MFJ antenna tuner knob. You wouldn't think they would be the same, but they are. Okay. Why would that change? Just by changing the meter. I guess the AGC is working. See? Problems. Now we had no receive. We changed this. It's some sort of really quirky thing. And it's been like this ever since I've owned this thing. This guy, Patrick, that I know from the Goodwill thrift store, had this on Craigslist before I knew him. Well, I had seen him before, but I didn't know him. And I bought it from him like a couple years ago. It's kind of how we became friends. Anyway. It was better without the RF amp. It's just Baffles me. Now it's better with it. And that usually doesn't do anything anymore. It used to. Which, why? I just put it on high voltage. So this one sounds better on transmit than the other one. The other one's got a problem. See, now we don't have that noise. The problems are very strange with this radio. I'm going to put the clarifier on. Just sometimes that it's on that 5-volt rail, I think. Very weird. So something in this, I think, switch is on the rail and it has a bad connection, or it's shorting, causing something to do something weird. We can hear it. If you sit here and do this hundreds of times, some of these radios actually bounce back. I'm wondering if there's a relay. I'm listening, I don't hear anything. Okay. It's really pretty strange. We don't hear the AGC really change. Beyond my comprehension. You can see with the AGC off, it definitely gets wacky. You see it's moving fast. Fast or slow does work. That RF amp relay is bad news. Anyway, I don't know what's up with it. It's never been something simple that I could figure out.